Kithitoni cha kwailia uthukumi kwa ene nthi thina vata munene wa ene nthi na maofisa ma UCCI kwithiwa na uthukumi wa vakuvi na wiwano ni kana kululumililia muguo. Uu ni kuyanana na gavana wa kaunti ya Masako Mwandu wa Vithandeti ula wanene vindani ya mboya cia mwana cia maofisa asu ma UCCI na ile itoyagwa kila mwaka kanisani wa Cathedral Masako. Daniel Mongela ni watumbanisha mauvo.
Gavana wa kaunti ya Masako Mwandu wa Vithandeti ndanena ivindani ya mbothe ila ciatwaigwa kanisani wa Cathedral ni wailisya kana maofisa ma UCCI ni mailite ukwatia na ene nthi kwi uthukumi na ene nthi kumanenga enda ya undu mwana kwatia mio ila yailite nikenda kugithia uthukumi ni wetha wi mwelu na muguo ni wende ana umamanwa icio ni cikivuthukanio cielembeta ya ukamba
na kila ndonyo mukulia mbaitu polisi discipline forces ithino ciana ciandu na momembethagua wiani tumakue ona motandu mathukuma na community ma integrate na community nundu mathukuma na itu ta community yembethagua yela ici kuungamia mauthuku matanekika kwa maende ama Masako nini sinitwika au I don't know about the other areas but kila ndonyo makulia maende othukuma na community nikenda tuete muguo katika account ito na nesila twate ya miao ibandu tukakoma ni atenamo kwa kila mundu ni akaleto within the law nikenda muguo wingi
amwe mama ofisa kuma kaunti ni cielembeta ya umiloni wasua ni makulia ene nthi maende na ukwatia ni anamo nthini wa uthukumi magwetakana methe ya mesilite ivindani yumwe ya uthukumi na mavindangi ene nthi ni mailite itha ona maimavoya na kuendea na ukwatia namo nikenda kwaili uthukumi wo na kugithikana mainethiwa na ivinda yumu ila maende na utwaisya wiawo icio ni cikivuthukanio.
We want them to work together with these officers while they are performing their various duties. We have the National Youth Service, Kenya Prison Service, National Police Service, that is Kenya Police Service, and Administration Police Service, and the NYS. These respective services perform various roles, including protecting the environment, protecting our national heritage, reforming offenders, and the youth service participate in various activities. So we are appealing to the public to pray for these officers because some of them perform their duties under very difficult circumstances. Some have been injured in the line of duty, and some are also forced to be away from their families because of the call of duty. So we would want members of the public to pray and support these officers and make their work easy by abiding by the law.
Mboya hii siaete vamwe maofisa ma UCCI kuma kauntini ya Kitui, Makueni, Kajiado, Masako wala makwatini vamwe kati wa mboya hivi ile itoyagwa kila mwaka kanisani wa Lady of Lourdes Cathedral musini wa Masako.
This today's event has brought all the discipline forces together as a sign of unity to pray together with their families and to make sure that all of them meet and know each other. Otherwise, we've been very grateful because it has been graced by our governor, and we hope to continue with the same spirit every year. It is an annual event.
Daniel Mongela, Utongo TV, kuma kanisani wa Cathedral, kauntini ya Masako.